For 25 years, the initial M in conjunction with BMW has been synonymous with sports cars. This reputation got started in the late 70s with the introduction of a super sports car, the BMW M1. Normally, races are driven with modified production cars. At BMW, a modified race car was turned into a production car. The car was originally built for Group 4 racing, he tells us. Back then, 400 cars were needed for homologation in the group, and one only builds as many cars as required. We saw that there was a lot of interest in the car. That included private customers who wanted such a car, so we ended up building as many as ordered. A car almost too beautiful for the racetrack. A total of 450 M1s were built. They were initially sold at a price of €50,000. Later, they sold for 7,000 more. The extremely low front section and the perfect aerodynamic styling enable a drag coefficient unparalleled in modern automobile construction. The M1 has a space frame, together with its mid-engine design and its extremely low centre of gravity at a height of only 455 millimetres. It represents a concept characteristic of thoroughbred race cars. The M1 is a legend for us, he admits. The M1 badge points to the fact that it's the first M car ever built. With regard to its features, it also had everything a modern M3 or M5 still has today, namely a special engine. A high-performance engine, naturally aspirated, conceived for a mid-engine car, making it unique. Its development was very thrilling for our engineers. We always wanted to build such a car, but the origin was in motorsports. The engine inside the M1? 3.5 litres of displacement, 277 horsepower. Neither turbo nor supercharger. Giorgetto Giaro tailored perhaps the most elegant suit a German sports car was ever to wear. Built at Bauer and Stuttgart, there's no mistaking the purpose the M1 was built for, especially with a glance at the interior. A race without any luxury. Restricted to the basic amenities, the M1 was never intended to be a boulevard beauty. Its weight distribution also allowed the BMW M1 to cause quite a sensation as a 470 horsepower racing version. The Pro Car M1 with drivers like Niki Lauda and Emerson Fittipaldi was the most attractive series coupled to the Formula One calendar that Grand Prix racing ever offered. It all began with this car 25 years ago, the M1, a clear declaration of the BMW mark, the ultimate sporty driving experience.